Happy New Year. It's January 7th, 2022. And this month I thought we'd have a little bit of fun with maybe making some predictions as to what could happen in the real estate market this year. Now, I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't guarantee any of these things are going to happen. However, let's just look at the current market conditions and discuss what this year could look like. And we could have some fun in December and look back and see if we were right. So this year, what we're seeing is that a lot of millennials are starting to enter the real estate market, getting off the fence. Specifically in Denver, they make up the largest segment of our population, and they're hitting a median age of 30. So they're starting to think about, moving out from having roommates, maybe getting married and starting a family. And so that's driving a lot of, home purchases. So this spring is probably going to be, pretty intense. And with a lack of inventory, of course, that will lead to home prices going up. So as of this morning, I looked, there were 2,505 active single-family homes on the market, and that's about a tenth of what we typically see on the market. So, hopefully over the next couple months, we'll see some more homes come on the market. But, with a lack of inventory, of course, that leads to a lot of demand for those buyers that are looking. Now, for millennials, a lot of them are renting right now, and this year rents nationally should go up about 7%. That's what we're seeing over the last couple of years as well, and likely will happen in Denver too. So if you're spending $2,000 a month on rent, probably going to go up about $140, $150. And that's driving a lot of renters to consider purchasing a home. Now, interest rates over the last couple of years have been between 2.5% to 3%, which is great, and still very historically low. But the Fed is anticipated to raise the rates a little bit this year. So probably hit the mid threes or so. We'll see what it looks like. However, with interest rates going up, that may push some buyers out of the market. Probably more investors that are looking to pick up rentals. And maybe that'll open up some availability for first-time buyers to purchase homes. New construction has gone up about 19% in the last year. Of course, it's hitting the same problems that every other industry is having with supply chain issues, labor shortages. So I just don't see how this year we're going to keep pace with all the housing demand. Contractors just won't be able to build enough houses fast enough. So with that being said, of course, people are going to be looking at existing homes to purchase. Now, luxury category, let's talk about that too. So a lot of luxury buyers have done very well in the stock market over the last year. So they have some extra funds to maybe upgrade their house, buy a second home, or invest in real estate, which has historically been a way to hedge inflation. So those luxury buyers are going to be looking. I don't think that market segment is going to be impacted too much. And then if interest rates go up a little bit, they don't tend to be impacted too much either because a lot of them buy with cash. So with that being said, the luxury market is probably going to be pretty strong this year too. So I think the number one challenge really at this point is that log jam of buyers wanting to buy, sellers interested in moving, but maybe just being nervous about where they're going to move to, right? Like you can sell your house really fast, but where are you going to go? So we have to instill some confidence in sellers that if they sell their home quickly, there are means for them to go ahead and go into their replacement home. They're not going to be homeless. And once we start to see that confidence within sellers, there'll be more inventory for buyers and things will loosen up. And hopefully we'll be in a little bit more balanced scenario for everybody. So those are my predictions for this year. If you have any questions, always call me. Always happy to help. Have a great year, and we'll talk soon.